Meaning of gonorrhea.
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 Gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease caused by the bacterium Neisseria gonorrhoeae. It can infect both men and women and is spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex. Symptoms may include painful urination, discharge from the genitals, and in some cases, no symptoms at all. If left untreated, gonorrhea can lead to serious health complications such as infertility, pelvic inflammatory disease, and an increased risk of HIV infection. It can be treated with antibiotics, but the emergence of antibiotic-resistant strains has made treatment more challenging in recent years.